there, I'm Jennifer from the Outreach Department at the Euclid Public Library, and I am here in my garden at the end of a chilly January day. As you can see, the garden has pretty much gone to sleep for the winter. Everything is covered under a few inches of snow, and it's about 19 degrees out. I do have a couple of raised beds out here, though, that are a little different. I'm going to walk over. And you probably think that in the middle of January, there's not much growing in the garden anymore, and you can't really harvest much. But I think you're going to be surprised. I got the idea to try growing vegetables in the winter from a book I got from the library, Niki Jabbour's Year-Round Gardening. She actually has a new version of it that just came out. So I was pretty excited to give it a shot this year, and you can see I still have some kale and some collards growing over here. Oh, and one lone, I think that's an old kohlrabi. And over in this bed, I have some really nice looking big kale. And one of my favorite vegetables is tatsoi, and it looks like it's the middle of summertime. So unfortunately, I don't get out here and weed in the middle of winter, so it's a little bit of a mess, but surprising what is still growing. Look at that kale. So I'm going to harvest some stuff and start cooking dinner, and you know I'm going to use a recipe from a cookbook I got from the library too. Well, thanks for joining me out here in the garden, and hopefully we'll keep growing for just a little bit longer, and pretty soon we'll be planting for next season. So here's the result of my hard work in the garden and my hoop cover and my late January harvest. It looks delicious, and I can't wait to sit down and have dinner. Thanks for joining me.